My name is Julian Andres Henao. For Group 11, Numerical Unit Methods. The one question, how do you think the numerical methods course contribute to your professional future? The numerical methods course contribute to my professional future by touching my how they solve a problem using numerical methods. They will be useful in the future career as an engineer. And to question, how do you think a professional in your discipline can contribute to the community and social environment with the arcade script towards the grain education? Most professionals in my discipline contribute to the community and social environment by using their arcade scripts to improve the quality of life for community members. They might do this by providing services that improve the community's infrastructure, by working with community organizations to develop programs that address social needs, or by providing direct service to individuals in the community. My name is Julian Andres Henao. Hi.